Hey guys, just want to go over Aitx with y'all. As always, I'm not your financial advisor. Please still do your due diligence. But these charts look amazing. All right, so I've been loving following this. It just shows tremendous strength. Whenever a stock is under the 200 SMA, it really wants to get back above it to show strength, to get long-term investors involved. And this has been proving itself. So it tried there, tried again, and has now pulled through. And even during a difficult week that we had last week, it still held and still hasn't broken any trend lines and has just risen above that 200 SMA. So these lines, I just want to get into it. This is the 4 EMA, 9 EMA, 20 SMA, 50 SMA, and 200 SMA. This one averages per the day, per the week, per the month, per the 3 months, and for the year. So when a stock rises above the 200 SMA, that shows strength. Right now, this pattern looks the exact same to this pattern to me. I can only imagine the rest of this week. Next week, we'll start having some more days looking like this. We just need that volume. And right now, CCI is in a strong area. We want it to be above 100. It's right around there. RSI, we want it to be above 70. It is. MACD, we don't want it to cross below. It hasn't. It's still holding trend. It'll start to hopefully open back up to look more like this. And we'll have more days like this. So we just need that volume to come back in. And all that is patience. I'm not going to talk about other tickers, but we can look at other charts. Whenever a stock, like I said, is under the 200 SMA, it tries to get above it. It might consolidate for a long period of time. This is almost a month time. Eventually, it pierces through. And then once it pierces through, you see more action. And it catches and it holds. And, sometimes it can really start to go. This is another example where it really tries and tries and tries. And then, as you can see, it eventually pierced through the 200 SMA, hit up to 90 cents. So it's just a matter of time before we really start getting some action. This is another one where it just was down in the low range, 10 cents. Eventually had a $3 day once it started piercing through that 200 SMA. On another one we can see here, once it finally pierces through that 200 SMA, it tries it a few times. Once it tries, it really starts to just go. That shot up all the way to $1.50. This is our chart here, AITX. Again, we have been trying to pierce through. We just did it this past week in a manipulated week, and we did it, and we're holding, and we're actually having higher lows and just consolidating nicely. Intraday view, if we look at it, has been really cool. It's a solid, steady growth. That was such a nice run for like a week and a half straight. And now we're consolidating. And as you can see, intraday view, we're having higher lows, pierce through that 200, showing the strength on the intraday view. This is live right now. So this is, going through a nice up increasing day on the 3rd. So I just see a beautiful chart right here. I'm willing to wait. We have some room to definitely run. If we look at it, the new highs, we could see, 60, 70 cents in another, couple months. So I'm willing to wait. This chart looks great. It just started. So plenty of room to run. Hopefully this helped. If you have any questions, like, subscribe, ask. Hope you all have a great day.